How to cultivate mango apples in the home for beginners. Mango, which has a scientific name Mangifera indica or dive, is the name of the fruit as well as the name of the tree belonging to the clan Mangifera and Arcadiaceae tribe that has about 35 to 40 members. Mango plants and fruit come from around the Indian border with Burma. Mango trees include high-level plants whose stem structure or habitus belongs to the arborous group, i.e. woody plants that can grow to a height of more than 5 meters stems. Mango trees can reach a height of about 10 to 40 meters. Mango fruit is included in the group of stone fruit or fleshy drupa, with the size and shape of different fruits depending on the species of Magaya. There is a round, oval to oval elongated. If it is ripe, the flesh of orange mango orange, yellow or cream, some are stringy and no, sweet to some with lots of water and smell strong until weak. Scientific classification: Mango. Kingdom: Platy. Class: Magoliosidae. Order: Sapidals. Family: Arcadiaceae. Genus: Mangifera. Species: Mangifera indica. There are many types of mango, such as sweet fragrant mango, mango malagi, mango avocado, apple mango and so forth. Apple mangoes are so called probably because this form of mango is similar to apples. Well, this time we will discuss how to cultivate mango apples in the garden home for beginners. 1. Apple mango fruit nursery. Apple mango seedlings as well as mango breeding in general, nurseries can be done in various ways such as grafting and grafting. Choose the best quality mango from the tree, peel the fruit and separate the seeds and dry it dry. If you want to grow quickly within 2 to 5 weeks, remove the seeds. After that, the seeds of mango seeds to planting medium made from a mixture of soil, sand and husk with a ratio of 1:1:1 on polybag seedlings. Place the polybag seedlings in the shade. Perform watering and fertilization on a regular basis. Hig appear stems and young leaves. After 4 weeks then the seeds can be done directly grafting. Connect shoots with superior varieties as desired. After the mango seeds grow normally, the seedlings can be transferred to the planting area that has been prepared. If you do not want to be bothered, you can buy seedlings of mango trees in the seedling shop. 2. How to plant mango apples. Land on planting land is processed first. 1 to 2 weeks before treatment, do basic fertilization using manure or compost. After that, do the hijacking or embankment so that the soil and fertilizer can be mixed perfectly. Next, make a planting hole of width and depth between 50 to 100 centimeters with a spacing of about 5 to 10 meters per tree. If the planting hole has been made, put straw or dry waste into the hole and then burn it, then let stand for 1 to 2 weeks. Put the seeds in the planting hole along with the media planting on polybag seedlings, then back with land. 3. How to take care of apple mango tree. Do watering only as needed or adjusted to the conditions and weather of planting land. Do weeding of weeds or other nuisance plants around the mango tree so that the nutrients needed for the growth of mango trees do not fight with the weeds. In addition, after 2 months planting, do fertilization. Fertilization can be done by using organic fertilizers such as compost or manure. If you want more leverage, mango tree can be given artificial fertilizers such as ZA, KCl, or NPK. 4. Apple mango harvest period. After 3 to 4 years of planting, mango has begun to bloom and bear fruit. Harvesting of mango can be done 1 month after flowering. So we are discussing about how to cultivate mango apples in the home for beginners. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.